Hey, plug up. Plug. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk. Pick him up in a space coupe, I don't let my plug walk. New freak, had to cut my other little. Stop playing with him.
FRONTAL and his bitch. Okay. I'm so glad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm icey. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I created this custom wig. This was my first time ever doing it, so I'm super excited. I used an already cut frontal. If you want to make a wig out of your already used frontal, then keep watching. Today, we're going to be making our first wig, our first frontal wig. And I was searching a lot on the internet because I've got a pre-used frontal. Mind you guys, getting this glue off this frontal was the hardest thing I think I ever had to do, because I got this frontal installed a year ago. That glue was still tacky, so that's a mess. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna be making a wig with an already used frontal, as in it's already been cut, but I promise you guys it's gonna be bomb. We're gonna start off with a spandex dome cap. You can use a nude one, but they didn't have that at my Sally's or my beauty supply, so gotta use what I got. And we're gonna just put it, I only put this crazy, bag over her face because she has a lot of hair and I didn't want the hair getting like, you know, all in the wig and stuff. These two little ends, can you see it? Yeah, so this end right here and this end right here, they're gonna be sewn down. Uh-oh, I'm about to get confused. We're only gonna be sewing a straight line. Let me go get some weaving needles so I can use that. Y'all, I want y'all to know something. This is my first time. I'm a wig making, well, a frontal wig making virgin, and I choose to use a already used one. Oh my gosh, but so far I'm having fun. I'm gonna definitely get me a little wig head, like a real mannequin, so I don't, you know, have all this movement and give myself an extreme anxiety attack. Are you guys nervous? Don't be nervous, because if I'm not nervous, you shouldn't be nervous. I'm just really trying to see where her hair lies. But a lot of the videos that I saw, hope you can see, a lot of the videos that I saw, oh goodness gracious, let me get my little pins ready. They only sewed this back end. You're not sewing on the sides, you're just sewing this back end. So I'm gonna align this to the, what would be the sides of my ear. So I need to tack it. Can you see? Yeah. I really hope you can. But this one piece right here, and it needs to be flat across the back. She's not one of those push down pins in her head. You know, she's a real girl. This is the back, and you guys can see when I got my hair installed, she used black thread. But I'm gonna just attach this one here. It's hard to stick a needle in her head. And then I'm gonna have the other side, same way, flat down to this edge of this cap. And then I'm gonna sew this whole thing across. And quick little update, I'm very nervous. I'm gonna just go from side to side. Okay, so now we're here to the easy part, I would say. We've got the frontal on, and for the back, I am gonna double weft it. I'm gonna just begin sewing the wefts, you know, like that. I'm just praying, because this head is about to start twirling around, giving me a mighty hard time. I like to use my thumb. Sometimes I prick myself, so. Okay, so I got the thing in my lap because it's so much easier for me to have it like this. So I'm just looking out for convenience. So this is what the wig's currently looking like. So here's a little wig update. I've been double wefting it. I am going to add, so I'm gonna put an additional track right here just to connect the frontal with, you know, the unit. But this is what we look like so far. Okay, so we're just combing it out to see what we're working with. We've got the wig out. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this little piece off. It's right here. We're gonna have to...
Hey, plug up. Plug. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk. In a space coupe, I don't let my plug walk. New freak, had to cut my other little